You were furious last week, blaming the hedge funds, blaming Robinhood, blaming clearinghouses for not allowing people to trade, saying it was unfair. What did you want done differently?
We need to regulate the hedge funds. There are two things that could be done differently. One, we need more capital requirement before hedge funds can short. Two, there was a rule in place from 1938 to 2007. It's called the uptick rule. It restricts short selling to prevent exactly this kind of situation. That was repealed as a giveaway to Wall Street. We need to reinstate the uptick rule. And three, we need better capital requirements on Robinhood. They can't be promising in their terms of service that they trade and not have the reserve requirements. These are common sense reforms for Wall Street that would get to many of the problems that your segment highlighted.
But that's sort of the issue, sir. The reason Robinhood couldn't service their clients is they didn't have the money to do so. So do they need to change their terms of service? People didn't realize they signed up for Robinhood assuming they were getting a full service broker. And when stress was on and the rubber hit the road, Robinhood couldn't deliver.
You're absolutely right, Stephanie. And this is why they need more reserves. I mean, they were undercapitalized, and they need to be honest. And they need to.
Sorry, continue.
Go ahead. And they need to be honest in their terms of service. If there is a threshold point with which they can't trade beyond, then they need to disclose that. I would say they need higher capital requirements, but at the very least, they need more transparency.
Then can we have things like free trades, a free broker? We want to democratize markets, but when you see platforms like Robinhood do that, then they're selling all their order flow to a firm like Citadel. Nothing is actually for free.
You're absolutely right. That's how they make their revenue. They take your data and they sell it to the hedge fund. So it isn't technically free. I'm all for democratizing the market, but not a market that is a gambling market where the hedge funds have a huge advantage. And this is why we need, you can't have hedge funds short these stocks, go on television, then talk about selling them. The big guys almost always are going to win in that game. Yes, we had some retail investors who succeeded this time. That's great. It was wrong that Robinhood suspended the trade. But in the long run, if we don't have fundamental reforms that make it harder for short sellers, that have higher capital requirements, that have higher transparency requirements, we're not going to succeed. And one other point, 50% of Americans aren't in the stock market, so we really need to be talking about the stagnation of wages and those left out of the economy and the over-financialization of our economy.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.